So everyone in this class has probably been to the beach, considering we live like a couple miles away from it. So out of everyone that's been to the beach, how many of you have seen trash on the beach? I'm hoping it's everyone, just because every time I go, I do see trash. So let's start off this video. Just showing, how they're affected. Turtles actually mistake plastic bags as jellyfish, which is one of their main diets. So, but anyways, all right. So, if you litter at the beach, it goes straight to the ocean, of course, and into the currents. But if you litter anywhere, it doesn't matter. Eventually, it probably most likely will get to the ocean. So if you litter in your street, for instance, it'll go into the storm sewer drain, from there into the river, to the inlet, and then into the ocean, which gets into the currents. And once it gets into the currents, it gets into what is called a trash vortex. And when it gets, there's 6 main trash vortexes. The main one is in the South Pacific, and it's about 100 miles away from Hawaii, north of Hawaii, and National Geographic did a study showing that this particular trash vortex is about 2 times the size of Texas, 526,000 square miles. Any country that would like to clean this can't, because it would put a country into debt, as it is from every country. And so the only way people clean it is if they do it themselves. They go out on their own boats, clean up, and so then you think like maybe you should just stop littering and let it biodegrade. But plastic does not biodegrade. It just gets smaller and smaller until it becomes micro pellets. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, did a study and figured out that in a kilometer there was 750,000 micro pellets, and they described the water as being soupy. Like, it wasn't clear, it was just kind of like a grayish tone. Next, we have the plants and animals in the ocean. They help cure us. For instance, this sea sponge in the Caribbean, they recently found out that it helps cure HIV. Next, we have skates. We have them here in our ocean, at our beaches. And doctors have found out through this animal how to help prevent vision loss. Last, we have the diaphone, I believe it's called. And it's kind of like a jellyfish. It kind of just sits there, doesn't really do anything. But the one thing that it does do, they recently found out that it could help cure cancer with its cells. So those 3 things together, just from 3 animals, not considering every other animal in the ocean, help cure 3 major things in this world, which is vision loss, cancer, and HIVs. So if you do litter, consider it as not just killing animals, you're killing the cures that could help save your life one day. And keep calm and save our oceans.